Hello guys, welcome to our channel Dili Pathshala. Today in the ongoing series we are going to discuss about the sign Virgo, and we are going to see how to do predictions using the sign Virgo and in which house it is present in your birth chart. So as we already know that for doing these predictions by knowing the signs and the houses of the birth chart, we first see the physical characteristics or personal characteristics of the sign Virgo and the characteristics it possesses because of occupation of the sixth house in the Kalpurush Kundali. Virgo is represented by the symbol of a female. Thus, similar to a female, Virgo sign gives whatever it receives. If it receives good things, it will give good things in a good amount. If it receives bad things, it will give bad things and it will get aloof or separated from you. The Virgo sign will itself distance itself from the bad things. Also, Virgo sign represents the earth element. Whatever you sow in the earth, you get the fruits accordingly. Also, the sixth house of the Kalpurush Kundli, being the Virgo, it represents competition. The hard work which is required for competition, which we know as sadhana. Also, it shows our maternal relatives, our enemies, diseases, and the debts we take. This is the sixth house of the Kalpurush Kundali. Now, let's start and see what Virgo gives in all the houses of the birth chart. First, if the Virgo is the ascendant sign, then it shows that the person will be very ground to earth. He will be good with good people and he will distance himself from the bad ones. He will separate himself from the bad ones by not saying any word to the bad people. He is very competitive in nature, which is a healthy competition. He is able to do hard work and sadhana for whatever task or the accomplishments or his targets may be. Also, as the sixth house represents diseases, it shows that the body of such an individual may be prone to diseases, as the sixth house of Kalpurush Kundli is sitting in his physical body sign. If Virgo sign is present in the second house of your birth chart, then it shows the native's family will be very ground to earth. The family will be very helpful and kind to those who are good to them, and the family will distance themselves by without uttering any word from the bad ones or the bad people who do bad deeds for them. Secondly, the native speech is represented by the second house, which shows the natives will speak very humbly to everyone. Also, his words will be like he is very ground to earth. As a second house also shows our accumulated wealth, it shows that if the person do good deeds, he will be able to accumulate wealth. If the person on the other hand is doing bad things or earning through the wrong means, he may lose his wealth also. Also, it shows that the person may earn his earnings through the work which is related to the earth element, like doing business of the earth grown seeds or buy food, as food is represented by the second house. If the Virgo sign is present in the third house of the birth chart, it represents that the younger siblings of the native or the friends whom native helps, they might be very ground to earth. They are very helpful and kind to the people who are good for them, and they will separate themselves from the people who are bad ones without saying any word. Also, it shows that the native will be very courageous, very competitive with his younger siblings or such friends. It may also show that the native may show courage against such people who do bad things for them, and he may be similar courageous for those, for helping those who are doing good for them. If the Virgo sign is present in the fourth house of the birth chart, it shows the mother of the native is very humble, very ground to earth. The mother is good and kind hearted for those who are good for them, and the mother separates herself from those people who do bad things for her or maybe the family. But the mother may not represent or may not show her anger towards those bad people. Also, it shows that the native will not love to show his luxury, house, and conveniences or his earnings or comforts to other people. He may appear very humble and down to earth to other people. He does not believe in showing off in his house, his conveyances, that he is very rich. Also, as the sixth house of the Kalpurush Kundli shows debts, it may also show that the native may take loan for acquiring his conveyances or for purchasing a house. If the Virgo sign is present in the fifth house of the birth chart, it represents that the children of the native will be very ground to earth. They will be good and kind hearted and very giving for those people who are good to them, who do good things for them. On the same side, if the such people are doing bad things to them, they will separate themselves from those people without uttering any word. It also shows that the native's ability of learning or acquiring knowledge will be very very great, because the sign in which Mercury is getting exalted, as well as it is its Mercury's own house, and Mercury, who is the karak or significator of learning and education, is sitting in his fifth house, that is the house of acquiring knowledge, house of intelligence, house of learning. It also shows that the native may be very competitive in nature in terms of learning with others. He may keep a competition in his mind while learning. If the Virgo sign is present in the sixth house of the birth chart, it represents that the native may be involved in a very good competition wise with other people, like he will be good people and helping to those who are good in competition with him. If the people are bad minded, bad tempered in competition with him, he will separate himself from those people and he will not help those people. Also, it shows that the maternal relatives of the native will be very ground to earth, humble, and possess the same nature of helping the good ones and separating the bad ones. If the Virgo sign is present in the seventh house of the birth chart, it shows that the partner or the spouse of the native may be very ground to earth. They will be very giving nature to those people who are doing good to them, and they will separate themselves from those people who are doing bad things for them. They will not help, as well as separate themselves without uttering any word with such people who are doing bad things to them. Also, it shows your partners or the spouse may be your prime competitors, because the sixth house of the Kalpurush Kundli, the Rashi present in the sixth house of the Kalpurush Kundli, is now in your partner's house. Also, it shows that the partners or spouse of yours may be prone to diseases, as we have seen the sixth house of the Kalpurush Kundli gone to the Lagna has given diseases to the body. Similarly, the sixth house of Kalpurush Kundli going to the seventh house of your chart, it shows that the diseases may be given to your partners or spouse. If the Virgo sign is present in the eighth house of the birth chart, it represents that the native may be very competitive in doing research work. Maybe he may be involved in the field of research in a particular subject, and maybe he may be in a company, so he will possess a very competitive nature towards research. Also, it shows that you may take loan for the research purpose or for doing research work. As the eighth house also represents the sudden activities or sudden things that happen to you, so it also shows that maybe from the enemies or diseases, or suddenly you may be affected by these things, diseases, enemies suddenly in your life. If the Virgo sign is present in the ninth house of the birth chart, it represents your father or guru. They are very humble people. They do good things for the good people and they separate themselves from the bad ones. Also, it shows that you may be in a competitive nature with your father or guru, or as the ninth house is also representing religion, it shows that you may be very competitive in nature in the religious work. For example, if someone is donating money in for the religious work, then you will have a competition in mind that the person has donated such amount of money, I will be the bigger one donating much larger amount of money. So you have a feeling of competition in terms of the religious activities too. If the Virgo sign is present in the 10th house of your birth chart, it represents that your profession might be related to the earth element. For example, you might be involved in a profession of agriculture or business of the things which are grown from earth, like maybe fruits and vegetables or pulses, or it may also be related to mining activities as well. Also, it shows that you will be very competitive in nature in your profession, and you will be good and helping those people in profession who are good to you, and you will separate themselves from the people who do bad things for you in profession as well. Virgo sign in the 10th house also shows that you might be taking loan for growing your profession or expanding your profession. If the Virgo sign is present in the 11th house of the birth chart, it shows that the person is very competitive with his elder siblings or such friends who help the native. The native's elder siblings and the friends who help the native, they may be very humble, ground to earth. They will be very large hearted for those people who are doing good things for them. And similarly, on the other side, if the people do bad things for them, they will separate themselves from them and they will not speak to them afterwards. Also, it shows that the native may be very competitive in his terms of desires and gains, as the 11th house is representing gains and desires. For example, if the native sees that the neighbors have purchased a particular luxury item which is very costly, the native will try or desire for such costly item himself. So his desires will be like competitive. There will be a competitiveness in the desires as well. Similarly, if the Virgo sign is present in the 12th house of the birth chart, then it shows there is expense of the competitive nature. This shows that the person may not be so competitive in nature. He may try to keep the healthy competition, and he will remove himself from the competition, uh, from those people who are bad to them. He will get separated from such people himself. Also, it shows that the maternal relatives may not be good for you, or they might not be there, they might not be well off enough, so they may be any support to you. Don't forget to press the like button, and please tell us in comments that Virgo is present in which house of your birth chart. Also, if you have not subscribed our channel till now, subscribe our channel Dilip Pathshala, or you can follow us at the Instagram handle Dilip Pathshala.